Greetings everyone, it's me Krish from Gossipfunda, and today I'll teach you how you can solve the problem if your phone's display screen is unresponsive and it is not responding to any kind of touch that you're giving it. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. Now because you're not getting any kind of response from the smartphone, it is very hard to reboot or power off the smartphone or even switch it on. But if you double tap the smartphone, it will use the tap to wake feature, but it would not respond anything after that. So what you have to do is you have to reboot the smartphone. Now you can't reboot your smartphone without touching the screen, right? Because you need to touch the screen and select the option of reboot if you want to reboot the smartphone after you long press the switch off button, right? But there's one more method you can reboot your smartphone, which is to long press your smartphone for 15 seconds or until it blacks out and you can see the company's logo on the smartphone once again. So that way you know that the smartphone is booting up. And after you have rebooted the smartphone, your smartphone's touch will be completely responsive and you will be facing no issues after that. But if you're still facing the problem, maybe after some time or just after you have rebooted the smartphone, then you should definitely get it checked from a professional to a service center, or you can contact the company's customer care and contact them to ask the solution and take it to a service center to change the smartphone's screen or get it checked from the service center to resolve whatsoever problem the smartphone is giving you. So that is it for this video. Now if you like the video, do hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's me Krish from Gossipfunda, and I will see you in the next one. I hope you have a good day.